Poe is a hub of AI models. So it has, it's the largest hub where you can get all kind of proprietary and open source LLM models. And from this perspective, it is probably like the only one who is doing that. The founder of Poe is also in the board of OpenAI. And from this perspective, I believe like its founder is also like a founder of Quora. So from this perspective, they have like probably great networking in order to kind of integrate all of these AI models into Poe. And like in the when I enter basically the homepage of Poe, it welcomes me with the search bar, and then you can actually change specifically what you would like to do. It has its own assistant, I believe, like based on multiple models, and then we can actually choose. You can see there are so many models. There is not a single platform that can actually provide that. But I'm not a big fan of its UI. So for example, like if I press also like GPT-4, I want to write something, it will open up. And then, in order to fully enjoy it, basically I need to be free subscriber. And recently they have like further actual discounts, like in their platform that I might want to actually consider maybe. But as I mentioned, I'm not really look. It looks actually like I'm not a big fan of their how it is organized. It's not creative actually when it comes to UI and UX part. But perhaps like the challenge is that like it has so many perhaps like models that it's harder to organize it. So if you go into Explorer, you can see that there are a lot of models. They've recently actually integrated also Gemini Pro. I've seen actually only on Poe that integration. I haven't seen it anywhere else, including actually Bard. Um, so that is pretty interesting from this perspective. And you can, like whatever like the models are there, like you can see it. But I've encountered something strange actually. For example, like when I was actually asking some of the stuff, Gemini Pro, that it was actually blocked. Although like I was asking just about comparative analysis of Gemini Pro and Bard, and then in the next actual prompt, it kind of I asked differently about the key features, but this is really weird. I don't know like if it's happening from Google side or from both side. I don't know like specifically how that works, but I haven't been experiencing that specifically on Google side. So here also like you can find a lot of stuff that I actually wrote in the past. So I think you can try out a lot of models. Let's say that, and here you can find out that, since it's GPT-4, it's basically, if it has limited access, it means that you need to pay for that. But if you basically, for example, with Playground V2, which is image generation, we have this kind of prompt, that dreamlike scene of cat tea party on a floating cloud, Alice in Wonderland meets Studio Ghibli, and it gives really nice image of it, which looks really pretty cool and cute.